Guys, Niki, Ghetto heteire o mwathani Ngai.
The prayer event set aside for drought and hunger and other myriad of issues that are facing the country is going down at the Nyayo National Stadium.
I've come back here this morning with 3 prayers, and I pray to our God, first and foremost, to give us rain.
This is a disaster that has happened from 11 at night until now. We are still rescuing people in this village called Ngondo. And we hope that the government will take precautions to help our people. Our people are suffering. And if you tell them to take their things and go, where are they going?